Hey guys, welcome to the final week of distance learning. This week we have two assignments. The first assignment is we're going to do an MYP semester 2 mathematics reflection sheet. And then assignment 2 will be just to make up any work that you missed over the past couple of weeks, okay? But I'm going to focus on assignment 1 and give you instructions on how to complete this. So you're going to complete your semester 2 reflection sheet for this class in the MYP Digital Portfolio Google Classroom. A lot of you guys should already have access to this classroom. But if you don't, the code to join the classroom is LLFQSAJ. This only applies to the 6th grade Google Classroom for the MYP Digital Portfolio. So, step 1 that you want to do is you want to look at all the different assignments that you can choose from to reflect on. So, I have broken it down by the different criterion. These are the objectives for the assignment. So, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, any of these assignments from the different weeks, you can use them for criterion A, knowing and understanding. Week 8, assignment 1, the Flipgrid assignment, or week 9, last week's assignment 1, where you had to write what you learned from the video, that can be communicating. So if you look at these different assignments, just choose one that you probably got a good grade on or that you really liked and you want to reflect on it. All right. So step 1, pick the assignment you want to reflect on. So, for instance, I like the Flipgrid assignment. I like recording myself and talking about my hobbies and things I like and writing about what I learned in a video. Not writing, talking about it. So, I'm going to copy and paste this. And then I'm going to go down to the link. I'm going to click the link and it should take you directly to the assignment in the digital portfolio. So it says mathematics semester 2 reflection. Now, remember, you're going to click on this Google Doc to fill it out. Once you have filled it out, don't submit it yet. I want you to find the assignment in your Google Drive that you're actually reflecting on. So, um, well, I guess if we're doing the video, well, we can. You can find the code and we can add the link to that code in here too as well. So the Flipgrid code, just add it, like copy it, and then add it, and then you can turn it in once you finish with this assignment. All right. I won't click on this because I don't want to write on it. So I made a copy, and I'm going to show you on my own. First things first, student, what is your name? All right. So you're going to type your name, but my name is Kiva Belcher. And then you're going to type your teacher's name. I'm Miss Belcher. If you have Miss Young, you'll type Miss Young. You'll type the period that you have, either one of us. I'll say period 1. And then you'll type the date at which you're doing this assignment. So today's date is June 7th, 2020. Then for title of assignment, you're either going to go back here and pick the assignment you want, or you should have copied and pasted. So I'm going to do week 8, assignment 1. Let's talk about trapezoids, Flipgrid assignment. Then for communicating, that is the criterion that I stated. So I'm going to highlight that one because we use criterion C, communicating. We communicated with each other, okay? All right, for the IB learner profile, you want to highlight all that applies. You want to know which one did you use in order for you to do this assignment. Well, you had to be a communicator. Job. You had to be knowledgeable, right? So these are 2 that I would pick, but you can pick as many as you want and explain why, or you can pick 1 and explain why. So, how are you a communicator? For this assignment, I was a communicator because I recorded a video that described 2 things that I learned about trapezoids. I am knowledgeable because I had to watch a video to learn different facts about trapezoids. All right, so you're explaining why you chose those 2. Then what skills did you use? Well, obviously you can highlight all that apply, but communication skills means the most, right? It's probably the best bet. So how do you use your communication skills? How do you do that to do this successfully? So you can go down. I went down to under communication skills to see other things I could use. And I like this one, read critically and for comprehension. So communication skills, I had to listen completely and critically for comprehending information stated in the video. Then I also had to be able to communicate that in my video that I created. Okay. All right. Celebration of work. Why do you like it? Well, I like this activity because it was fun, different, and I was able to really communicate what I learned. Anything you want to say, guys, and explain what you would change or do differently if you could do this assignment again. Maybe what would I do? I would use more of the graphics and explain more about what I learned. Those are the different things you can do. So I did all 4 parts, right? There you go. And that's all you have to do for this assignment. Pick one and talk about it, okay? And you can use these to help you decide which ATL skill you want. And these are different things to consider of why you use or how you are reflective. Got it? All right. I hope that this helps.